Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. We are learning about set operator in Oracle. So in our last tutorial we have learned about union and union all. Today we are going to learn about minus and intersection. Okay. So when I have explained the intersection and minus with example, I'll explain you first, then I'll show you with example in our SQL workshop. Okay. So here actually when I'm doing intersection between two results, two queries. So suppose I have a table Facebook and another table as Google. So Facebook is having three datas, John, Mark and Tom, and Google is having three datas, Sundar, Stanley and Tom. So when I'm doing intersection in between these two tables, so in that case I'll get the common data from both the table actually. So our result data will have Tom Cruise as the result. So in our intersection, when I'll be doing intersection in both the query, I'll get the common result from both the table. Okay. While in minus, when I'll be doing minus in both the query, I'll get, suppose I'm doing this thing minus this thing. So the second query result will get minus from the first query and will get the rest of the things. Okay. So as you can see, Tom Cruise is there in our second query table as well. So Tom Cruise will get minus from this result and will get only these two values. Okay, hope the example is clear to you from this place. I'll show you with example as well. You'll get to know in better way. Let's jump to also SQL workshop and see the examples. So let's see the table first. So let's start from Facebook and run this query. So as you can see, we have these three datas in our Facebook table. Okay, and do select star from Google. Okay, and run this query. So as you can see, we have these three data in Google. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use intersect in between these two tables. So as you can see, we have Tom Cruise in our Google table and we have Tom Cruise in our Facebook table as well. Okay, so when I'll do intersection in between these two query, I'll get result as Tom Cruise, because we get, while doing intersection, we get common data from both the table. So I'll write here first name, then last name, and same thing I want to take Control C for this table as well. And what I'll do intersect between these two tables. Now run this query. So as you can see, we got this common data from both the table. When we do intersect, we get common data. Okay. And when we do minus, let me do copy and paste it here, and we'll use minus this time. So what I'm doing minus the whole data we'll get from here, and will minus the common data, the data which is here will minus from this query actually, this table output actually. Okay, so let's run this query. And you can see we have total three data in our Facebook table, but the last data, the Tom Cruise, get minus from the result, and we are getting these two data. Okay, so same thing you can do with Google as well. Let me write Google upside and Facebook here. So again, Tom Cruise will get minus from the Google table. Okay, let's run this query. As you can see, we have Stanley and Sundar only. We don't have the Tom Cruise data. So this is how minus and intersect work. Hope the concept and example is clear to you. For any confusion, any doubt, let me know in comment box. And that's it. Set operator is finished. In our next tutorial, we will learn something else. So thanks for being with me. Thank you very much.